Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the binder type and why that matters. Combs need different spacing than coils. Measure the stack thickness so you pick the correct 1/2 or 1 size. This prevents weak binds. Once measured, align pages with the whole guide and clamp firmly. Clamping prevents misfeeds and uneven punches. You should set the depth margin if available to strengthen the spine. Now insert the chosen comb or coil on the holder so you can begin punching without stopping mid-run. You punch holes in small batches to maintain alignment and keep punches sharp. Overloading causes ragged holes. After the first batch, advance the comb or coil slightly so teeth engage evenly. This prevents bunching when you add more pages. Make sure to rotate the coil or reposition the comb to distribute tension across the spine. As you feed subsequent sections, check alignment after each insert and smooth pages flat. This steady rhythm reduces snags and ensures the finished book opens. You finish by crimping or closing the coil and engaging the comb lock so ends can't slip. Secure end caps add durability. Trim any excess coil or comb tails flush with the cover edge for a professional look. If pages feel loose or the book won't lie flat, don't force it. Reopen the last few sections, realign the stack, and repunch or reinsert as needed. One key tip: if holes tear, reduce punch depth or decrease batch size. That often fixes tearing without wasting pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.